Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you cannot allow your voice to be recorded in clips on Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device. Then tap on settings icon. Next tap on clips. Then you can see the option of allow my voice to be recorded in clips. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you cannot allow your voice to be recorded in clips on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.